Skywest 3597, turn left on Bravo and cross 26 left at Bravo 4, taxi ramp to frequency. Good morning.
Left turn at Bravo cross runway 26 left. Bravo 4 with you to the terminal stop 3597. Good morning.
Skywest 3597, left turn on Bravo to ramp 4 with me. American gives way.
Give way, American. Maintenance.
I'm talking to Skywest. Skywest 3597, do you know where you're going?
Yeah, you guys gave us to Fox. Nothing after that, Skywest 5284.
Wrong. I said cross 26 left at Bravo 4, taxi to the ramp with me. What are you doing?
3597, and we're going to 4 November for Delta 20.
Well, you're pointed the wrong direction because you're looking at ramp 3. Turn left on Echo and taxi to ramp 4. You've got 3 people waiting now.
Okay, turn left on Echo, ramp 4, stop 3597.
Come on, guys. You're in Atlanta now. Get it together.